What if building a second income didn't mean promoting products you don't actually use or believe in? You're smart. You're doing your best. Studying, working, maybe juggling both. But money? Still tight. And time? Feels like you never have enough of it. You don't want to waste years waiting for the right opportunity, and you definitely don't want a boss breathing down your neck. That's why I started looking for something different, a system that actually teaches you how to grow. With real products, real support, no pressure to recruit anyone. It starts with a simulator, not a presentation, not a sales pitch, just a digital experience where you test drive the model at your own pace. You don't commit to anything, you don't need experience, you just see if it makes sense for you. If it does, you'll know what to do next. If not, that's fine. At least now you've seen what's possible.